One, two, check.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's UJ Bella. Today we have an interesting topic and it is introduction. So I call it self-intro. So when you meet people for the first time or you meet someone for the first time, the basic information you get out of these people, or they probably will ask you. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to say it in Igbo language. So if you're ready and you want to learn, so you can show off for your Igbo friends, Igbo colleague or neighbors. So you relax and enjoy this video. Okay, so like I always say, language is a gradual process to learn. It's not something you just, one day catch up with, okay? So, but if you determine and do more practice, trust me, one day you see yourself speaking Igbo. So guys, let's do it. If you're tuning in and seeing this channel for the first time, here we'll talk about Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, language, and lifestyle. So if you're willing and you're eager to understand about this Igbo culture or learn more about Igbo tradition or learn the language or know more about their lifestyle, this is the right video for you. So let's start with the topic of today. It's a lot of information, so I've got my note here. So if I'm looking down, please guys know that I'm trying to pick the point so that I wouldn't teach the wrong thing. If the teacher teach you the wrong thing, then oh my god, I don't know what the student will do. So I have my note here to pick some few points while I'm going along with you guys. All right, so relax, get your drink, and let's do it. Yeah, okay. The first thing the person will ask you is, how are you? How are you? How are you? In Igbo, kedu? 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 And the response, I'm good. I'm very well. I'm fine. Either of the three. And in Igbo, Odimma, 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 Odimma. So guys, I have done greetings, like I've taught greetings on this channel. And if you want to learn Igbo greetings, you can always go to my previous video and learn the Igbo greetings there. We're doing it on this channel, on this video today, because first thing you ask someone you just getting to know or you're meeting for the first time is to ask them how they're doing. If you don't ask me, if I'm the one and you don't ask me how I am and you want to throw a question, I'm probably just gonna walk away. So we are repeating the greeting here because we need to say hello to the person we're about to get some basic information from, or we're meeting for the first time, before we ask them other questions or before we try to get other information from them, isn't it? So if you're watching this video for the first time, I'm going to leave the link below on this video so you can go watch it and learn how to do or say Igbo greeting. So guys, let's start. What is your name? That's the next thing they probably will ask you. What is your name? What is your name? Igbo. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? You respond, I I am Uju. I am Uju. I am Uju. Igbo. Afa m bụ Uju. Afa m bụ Uju. Afa m bụ Uju. So, what is your name? My name is Uju. Gini. Guys, in Igbo language, we have different dialects. So, you probably will find another kind of dialect, saying it in another way on YouTube channel, or probably when you meet someone outside and they use that dialect for you, but they all mean the same. So today I'm using my dialect. Okay, so on my channel I'm always going to use my dialect, but I think I should let you guys know so that you don't think, oh, why is Uju saying this, and on this video they say it this way, but they all mean the same. Okay, so let's go to the third one. The person might probably want to know how old you are. Not in all cases. In most cases, no one meets you for the first time and start to ask you how old you are. But it depends on the situation, yeah? Or you probably will be on a work interview, or someone wants to interview you before they get you to do something. So they probably want to know how old you are. So it goes this way. How old are you? How old are you? In Igbo. Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? The response. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. In Igbo. Abum afọ iri abụọ. Abum afọ iri abụọ. Adim or adim or abum. Okay, that's what I said, but it all depends on how you want to say it. But guys, they all mean the same. So it's either you say abum afọ iri abụọ or adim afọ iri abụọ. Okay, I hope you're understanding the difference. But like I said, I'm going to use my dialect all the time on this channel. So when you see other video, or when you meet an Igbo person and they're using the other dialect, just know it means the same. The important thing is that you understand what you're asking or what you're saying. Okay, so let's go back there again. Abum afọ iri abụọ. Abum afọ iri abụọ. Or adim afọ iri abụọ. Okay, right, just go back on the video and go back again and again, and you will surely catch it. All right, okay, so we'll go to the next question, and the person will probably want to know what kind of job you do or your profession, isn't it? So it goes this way. What do you do? What do you do? Or what profession are you? What profession are you? Igbo. Ọrụ aka gị bụ gịnị? Ọrụ aka gị bụ gịnị? Ọrụ aka gị bụ gịnị? So you respond. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. In Igbo. Abum onye nkuzi. Abum onye nkuzi. Abum onye nkuzi. Sorry guys, I have to say this again. In this case, you could say Ọrụ aka mụ bụ onye nkuzi. Ọrụ aka mụ bụ onye nkuzi. They mean the same. Okay? Abum onye nkuzi. Ọrụ aka mụ bụ onye nkuzi is same thing. Onye nkuzi in Igbo language is a teacher. Okay? Onye nkuzi. Abum onye nkuzi. Or oru akamu bu onye nkuzi. Yeah? Okay. Let's go to the next one. They probably want to know your religion. Might be a pastor or an evangelist. On the train, bus, your colleague, your neighbor, or on the street. And the person wants to know what religion you are before they start to preach for you, or before they will invite you for their church or their religion event. So they just want to know what religion you are. So it goes this way. What religion are you? What religion are you? In Igbo, kedu ụka ị na-eje? Kedu ụka ị na-eje? Kedu ụka ị na-eje? And the response, I am a Catholic. I am a Catholic. I am a Catholic. Igbo, abum onye ụka fada. Abum onye ụka fada. Abum onye ụka fada. So ụka fada in Igbo language is Catholic. I'm a Catholic, by the way, so that's why I'm using Catholic. But mind you, in Igbo, we are mostly, or they are mostly, that's what I'm using, we are, but not really correct, you know. We're talking about Igbo in general. So, sorry guys about that. So when I say Catholic, or you say it in Igbo as Oka Fada, like I said before, Igbo people are mostly Christian. So you probably will find yourself in different Christian denomination. So you tell the person what denomination you are from. We have Sabbath, we have Catholic, we have Anglican, which is the Church of England here in England, or we have the Pentecostal. So whichever denomination or whichever one you are, you tell the person. So you go this way. Abum onye oka fada. I am a Catholic. Okay? I hope you understand it. Yeah, I know. Just go back to the video. You're surely going to catch it. So the next thing, the person will probably want to know where you live, isn't it? And it goes this way. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Or where do you reside? Where do you reside? All mean the same. In Igbo, ebe kibi, ebe kibi, ebe kibi, ebe kibi. Let's respond. I live in England. I live in England. I live in England. Igbo. Ebim na England. Ebim na England. Ebim na England. Ebim na England. So, where do you live? Or where do you reside? And in Igbo, ebe kibi. Ebe kibi. And the response, I live in England. I live in England. Ebim na England. Ebim na England. So guys, here you go. I know it's a lot, isn't it? Yeah? But do not worry. Like I said, it's a gradual process. Language is not something you learn, bam. No, you're surely gonna take, take your time, determine, and go practice always. Okay, let's go back again, guys, and see how we are going. Okay, the first thing is, how are you? In Igbo, Kedu? And the rest one, I'm good, or I'm fine. In Igbo, Odimma, Odimma. And the next one, what is your name? In Igbo, Gịnị bụ aha gị? Respond, my name is Uju. In Igbo, aha m bụ Uju. Aha m bụ Uju. And the next one, how old are you? In Igbo, I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. In Igbo, Adim afọ iri abụọ. Adim afọ iri abụọ. And the next thing, the person want to know your profession or what you do. What do you do? In Igbo, Gịnị bụ ọrụ aka gị? Gịnị bụ ọrụ aka gị? And the next one, person will want to know your religion. What religion are you? What religion are you? In Igbo, Abum onye ụka, Father. I have to look at my notes, guys. Abum onye ụka, Father. Abum onye ụka, Father. And the next one, where you live. The person wants to know where you live. So it will go this way. Where do you live? Where do you live? In Igbo, Ebe ka ibi? Ebe ka ibi? Respond, I live in England. I live in England. Igbo, Ebim na England. Ebim na England. Ebim na England. So guys, I know I was here and there and I was a little bit like confused if I respond or not. But guys, please go back over on this video if you get to that point where it was as if I was a little bit like, am I going to answer, or is it a question, or am I going to respond, or, you know, and all of that going on there. I hope you guys understand where that mix up came in. So guys, what I'm trying to say here is, please don't get yourself worked out. Igbo language is not that difficult, especially if you have someone who you can, you know, practice with. If you have a wife who is Igbo, practice with her. A husband who is Igbo, practice with him. A colleague, friends, or your neighbor. Language is all about trying to communicate with those indigent of that language. Yeah, the best way to learn language is living in that country, working or study, or just like go on holiday and make sure you communicate. So language is all about communicating, and the more you are doing it, the more you're going to understand. And by the time you know it, you start to speak that language. I speak 5 languages, and trust me, when I started learning, it was as if it wasn't going in. But with so much determination, focus, and all of that, trust me, I didn't even know when I started speaking some of this language. So guys, it is always good to like give yourself a push when you are about to learn a new thing. You probably won't pronounce the word properly, or some of it properly, But trust me, as long as you know what you're saying, you understand the meaning, just say it and you will be corrected. Trust me. And before you know it, you start to speak even the dialect or the accent of that language. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. I know it's a lot to to digest, but with practice you guys are gonna go wow. So guys, I'll have to leave you here and I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed, stay positive, always be happy so that people around you will be happy. Thank you. And please guys, remember to always so that at least the video will go into the YouTube, so our video will be promoted and I'll be encouraged to do more and more videos for you guys. And another thing is, if anyone wants anything, like any topic in Igbo they want me to treat on my channel, don't hesitate. Like I always say it on my description, your ideas, questions, anything you want to contribute on this channel, just leave it on my comments. When I read it, I'll definitely gonna come back to you. So I'll leave you guys today. Thank you, and subscribe if you haven't, and if you enjoyed this video. Bye.